Alright guys, there we go. We got a Supra in the garage. It failed the mechanical inspection on this because of the old one is stripped. Here's the boot. This is the boot for your inner tie rod, for your steering right there. It's ripped right here, so we're gonna change this. So stay tuned, let's get started. So before we start, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on here. I got this aftermarket Moog, that's the part number. This is what the item looked like. It came with a zip tie here, the longer one and smaller one. I use this heavy duty strap right here. I would rather use this rather than a zip tie right here. So it's gonna toss this in the garbage. This is what we're gonna use. Inner and outer. Clamp right there. Same thing here. So I've been phoning around Toyota to get a original equipment boot, but they said it's part of the steering rack, the boot. You don't sell them separate. So I'm like, oh no, that's not right. So I've been searching, and yeah, this boot right here, exact same as Lexus RX 350, 07 to 09, Toyota Avalon, 05 to 2013, Toyota Camry, 02 to 06, and then Toyota Sienna, 04 to 2013. So they're all the same. You guys can get them. You don't have to buy brand new rack just to replace that boot right here. This bellows, so that's ridiculous. So let's quickly take out this nut right here. And there's screw right there, and then we'll quickly slide that boot out. All right, so this nut right here, we're just gonna use 13/16. I'm just gonna take it out quick. And this bolt right there, we're gonna use this. It's a T45 on this one. All right, guys. So before you take out this bolt here, make sure you get a liquid paint marker. This is what I use. I use this for tires as well. Mark it right here in the tread. Just quickly mark it so that when we put it back, it goes in exactly the same spot. Okay, we'll take out this outer tire rod here. We're gonna count how many spin. We have a mark right here, but we still have to spin it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20 and a half. So almost there. We'll take out that clamp over there, and then we'll pull that boot out. All right, just grab a long pry bar. You're gonna open this up here. All right, we'll take out this small clamp right here so that we could pull out the boot after. Clamp this thing down, pull it out, and then it's time to pull this thing out. There we go. All right, we're gonna compare this thing down. So not much different. Look at this. Wow. The length is almost it's the same. This one is missing. The boot is missing. Look at this. The dimension is about right. This is more flexible. This is like stiff plastic. This is more flexible. Alright, we'll line this up and then we'll put a clamp after. Alright guys, so I installed it off camera because it was a tough one. Especially putting this boot around this housing of the steering rack. I had to fold this boot open and then slide the whole thing in. And then after folding it, and then just gonna have to unfold the boot after. So basically I had to fold this open, just like putting in socks to your feet. Just fold this up to here. When it's fold on the edge, slide it into the inner tie rod, line it up, and then unfold the corner in here over the housing of the steering rack. So now it's nice and stiff in there. And then we're just gonna put a clamp down here and a clamp on the other side after. All right guys, I got everything back now. Got the clamp back there, clamp right there. I spin this all the way to the mark line, I think 21.5 spin on this one. I'm just gonna quickly put everything back now. This one here, we're gonna tighten her up. Alright guys, so you can see it's done. It's working perfect. The boot is tight, the clamp is good. It's not gonna come out. With that aftermarket boot, works perfectly. So now everything is nice and snug. We'll put the wheel back on, and then, but first we're gonna have to fix all this wheel liner right here, and then all this stuff right here. We'll put the bumper back. So stay tuned on that one. Make sure to subscribe. This is a 2019 Supra MK5 with a BMW engine. Thumbs up. Let's go.